Are you aware of how many decisions in your day-to-day life are now influenced by some forms of AI? The social media feed that only shows you certain people or certain political perspectives. The streaming service that recommended your last movie. The chatbot that helped you to access youth work or health services. The software you have used to generate an image or a text. Yes, AI is here. It makes some of your choices easier, but it can also perpetrate disinformation and polarization. And it might already play a role in other, more critical decisions of your life, such as assessing your job applications, deciding which schools you could be eligible for, doing part of your health diagnosis, or maybe even ranking your credit worthiness. Does it sound like a sci-fi movie? It's not. AI has already been used to replace human decisions in many critical areas, and that can sometimes impact our fundamental rights. Its fast adoption requires awareness and action from all of us, considering both the benefits and the challenges. Find out more about AI governance and the role of the youth sector